how to stop ads on YouTube on your Android. So if you want to stop ads on your YouTube on Android, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your Play Store and go with search. And here I need to search for Firefox. Install Firefox on your device to stop all ads on your YouTube. Firefox is the best and safe way to block ads on your YouTube. This method works 100% on any Android device. Once the installation is completed, tap and open the application. Simply choose the theme and toolbar placement as you like, and then you can scroll down and you will have start browsing. You'll be able to start your browsing. After that, you need to go with your Firefox, and on your Firefox, you need to go with youtube.com. And after opening your YouTube on your Firefox, you can go with your add-ons. Once you've added your add-ons, which is ad blocker on your browser, it might fix your problem. But there's also another way. You can open up your browser, and from your browser, you can go with the top right and then go with the three dots and go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with site settings. Under site settings, you need to scroll down again and you will have an option of pop-ups and redirects. And here, you need to go and turn off. And after turning off, it will block the sites from showing pop-ups and redirects. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.